During the tumultuous years of World War I, a group of sailors witnessed something that has yet to be explained, and remains one of the greatest mysteries in maritime history. On the high seas in the summer of 1915, a British battleship, the Iberian, crossed paths with the German U-boat U-28, commanded by the veteran, Baron von Forstner. Naturally, a battle ensued and the Iberian came out on the losing side. As the German crew watched the enemy boat sink, they noticed there was a strange disturbance beneath the waves as the Iberian's boilers exploded and debris began top float to the surface. As the experienced crew of sailors watched, an enormous creature leaped out of the water and flew through the air. Reported by Baron von Forstner to be 60 to 100 feet in length and resembling a crocodile, the creature dived back into the water and vanished beneath the depth. Baron von Forstner was willing to risk his career in order to tell people about the sea monster he had witnessed, and now the monster witnessed by the crew of the U-28 has joined the ranks of the greatest mysteries of the ocean.